The MHRM program in the Fisher College of Business is one of the oldest in the country, and yet it continues to evolve as times change. We have heavy emphasis on HR content, but also students can take classes in other disciplines in business, so it helps them understand, how HR can add value, what the business is looking for from its talent.
One of the best things someone ever told me was, don't be an HR person that knows business, be a business individual that knows HR, and I took that very seriously. Within this program, you have the opportunity to take business electives with other students and gain other perspectives, like with MBAs and Masters of Finance and Masters of Accounting, to get that other perspective. A lot of programs that don't do that are at a disadvantage, and I think that puts Fisher ahead in the game when considering a master's program.
We also have a very diverse faculty in terms of some are really into their research in the HR areas, and others are more into practice. They've worked in high-level HR positions and do consulting in the HR area.
The Masters of Human Resource Management program in the Fisher College of Business is going to make you a business leader overall. You're going to gain that business acumen through tying theory into practice, which you'll get an opportunity to do with the internal and possibly external case competition that the school puts on every single year. Basically, this consists of the first and second years getting together, forming teams, given a live business case by a company. So you have 24 hours to solve and present this case to a panel of judges, which is not just the organizations that's sponsoring this event, it's also a lot of industry leaders as well. So this is just another great added benefit to being in the MHRM program.
The students can take a full-time track, which generally takes 2 years to complete, or a part-time track where they generally work and go to school, and that generally takes a longer period of time. That also provides a really unique classroom environment in the sense that we have full-time students, some of which are currently doing their internships, mixed in with people who are actually practicing HR, both at Ohio State and in organizations around Columbus.
We're all required to do internships over the course of the summer. There's also opportunities to do the global study programs, which consist of going to different countries and learning about their cultures and maybe how their organization works, not even just strictly in HR, but as a business as a whole. And I think that's another great experience that you can get here that you can't get anywhere else.